Hello, I'm Lenox. Android Studio is a powerful tool designed specifically for Android development. It's the go-to software for creating Android apps, offering a comprehensive suite of features that cater to both novice and experienced developers. Think of all the apps you use on your phone. Many were built with Android Studio. From social media platforms to productivity tools, Android Studio has been instrumental in bringing these applications to life. This software provides everything you need in one place. It integrates seamlessly with other tools and services, making the development process smooth and efficient. You can write code, design layouts, and test on different devices all within the same environment. This ensures that your app works perfectly across various Android devices and screen sizes. Android Studio is user-friendly, even for beginners. Its intuitive interface and robust set of features make it easy to get started, even if you're new to app development. It offers helpful templates and guides to get you started. These resources can save you a lot of time and effort, allowing you to focus on bringing your unique app ideas to life. Plus, it's free to use. This makes it an accessible option for anyone interested in app development, regardless of their budget. This makes it accessible to everyone, from students to professional developers. Whether you're learning to code or working on a professional project, Android Studio has the tools you need. Whether you dream of building the next hit game or a productivity app, Android Studio is the place to start. Its powerful features and flexibility allow you to bring your creative ideas to life. It's the foundation for bringing your Android app ideas to life. With Android Studio, you can turn your vision into a reality, creating apps that can be used by millions of people around the world. So, if you're ready to dive into the world of Android development, Android Studio is your trusty companion. With its comprehensive set of tools and resources, you'll be well equipped to create amazing apps that stand out in the crowded app market. You might be thinking, wait, isn't Android Studio for making apps? You're right, but here's a secret. Android Studio can also be used for web development. How? Through a clever component called WebView. WebView acts like a browser window inside your Android app. It allows you to display web pages directly within your app's interface. This opens up some exciting possibilities. Maybe you want to build an app that showcases your portfolio website. Or perhaps you need an app to access a web-based tool specifically for your business. WebView makes it all possible, all within the familiar environment of Android Studio. But that's not all. Android Studio offers a plethora of plugins and tools that can enhance your web development experience. You can debug your web pages, inspect elements, and even simulate different device environments. Collaboration is also a breeze with built-in version control systems like Git. And let's not forget the powerful layout editor that helps you design responsive web pages effortlessly. Testing your web app on multiple devices is seamless, ensuring compatibility across various platforms. So whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting out, Android Studio provides a robust environment for both app and web development. Imagine the convenience of managing both your mobile and web projects in one place. Real-time updates and seamless integration make Android Studio a versatile tool for developers. And with extensive documentation and community support, you'll never feel lost. Join the thriving community of developers who are already leveraging Android Studio for their web development needs. So why wait? Dive into the world of web development with Android Studio today. Let's get our hands dirty and start building. First, open Android Studio and create a new project. Choose Empty Activity to begin with a clean slate. Next, give your project a name. This is how it will appear on your device. Select a suitable location on your computer to store your project files. Finally, choose Java as your programming language and click Finish. Android Studio will now work its magic and set up the basic framework for your web app. You're now one step closer to launching your website within an Android app. Section 4. Integrating the WebView, your window to the web. Now let's add the heart of our web app, the WebView. Open your file. This is where you design the layout of your app's screen. Click on the Design tab at the top of the editor. From the palette panel, drag and drop a WebView element onto the screen. This will represent the area where your website will be displayed. You can adjust the size and position of the WebView to fit your desired layout. Think of it as framing a window to showcase your website perfectly within your app. Section 5. Loading your website. Connecting the dots. With the WebView in place, it's time to load your website. Switch to the file. This is where you write the code that brings your app to life. First, get a reference to your WebView using its ID. Then use the method and provide the URL of the website you want to display. It's as simple as telling the WebView where to navigate. For example, to load Google's website you would use. And just like that, your website will appear within your app when you run it. Section 6. Don't forget internet permissions. Before you hit that run button, there's one crucial step. Granting internet permission to your app. Without it, your app won't be able to load websites from the internet. Open your file. This file acts as a set of instructions for your app. Add the following line within the tag. This line tells Android that your app needs access to the internet. Now your app can freely connect to the web and display your website within the WebView.
Section 7. Best practices for a smooth development journey. Congratulations on creating your first web app using Android Studio. This is a significant milestone and you should be proud of your achievement, but the journey doesn't end here. To ensure your app stands out and provides the best user experience, there are several best practices you should follow. Here are some tips to make your development journey even smoother and more efficient. These tips will help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure your app is both robust and user-friendly. First, ensure your website is optimized for mobile devices. With the increasing number of users accessing websites through their smartphones, mobile optimization is no longer optional, it's a necessity. This will provide a seamless experience for users accessing it through your app. A mobile-optimized site loads faster, looks better, and functions more smoothly on smaller screens. Next, optimize your website's performance to keep users engaged. Performance optimization includes reducing load times, minimizing server requests, and optimizing images and other media. Nobody likes a slow website, especially on mobile. Slow load times can lead to high bounce rates, meaning users leave your site before it even fully loads. And always use HTTPS to encrypt communication between your app and your website. HTTPS not only secures data, but also improves your site's SEO ranking. This protects sensitive information and builds trust with your users. When users see that their data is secure, they are more likely to engage with your app and make transactions. By following these best practices, you'll create a web app that is both functional and user-friendly. A well-optimized, secure, and mobile-friendly app will attract and retain users, ensuring your hard work pays off. So, embrace the power of Android Studio and bring your web development ideas to life. With these best practices in mind, you're well on your way to creating an app that users will love and rely on.